सो फाइनली बोर्डेड द फ्लाइट। ये हमारी फ्लाइट है दुबई टू कायरो। 4 घंटे की फ्लाइट है। आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस एंटायर वेकेशन। वेलकम टू इजिप्ट। इमिग्रेशन वॉज टू सिंपल, तुरंत हो गया, so it was good. Now I'm waiting for the other guy. He'll just come over here and he'll pick me and take me to the hotel room. I am very much excited and there are plenty of things I have planned for today as well. I slept a lot in the flight and I'm really filled up. Actually, I really want to explore this place today. Weather right now in January, ठंड है थोड़ी सी। अभी तो 2 बज रहे हैं यहाँ पे दोपहर के, लेकिन ठंड है, थोड़ी सी ठंड है। रात में बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ने वाली है। So let's see. I just get few SIM cards from here. इजिप्ट में तो ऑरेंज ही यूज़ होगा। It's good actually. मैंने यूज़ किया है पहले। Hi.
Hi.
This is this new museum which is named as a Grand Egyptian Museum, or it has just been started or being inaugurated in November 2025. और इसमें there are so many findings which were excavated from the time of Tutankhamun. तो वो जो recently जो excavation जितना भी हुआ है finally वो museum में आ गया। तो from a pretty long time I was checking about this on NetGeo and YouTube basically हमेशा से। And the best part is that today it's like 2:20 right now in the afternoon. Hotel पहुँचूँगा and get freshen up and immediately I bought the tickets already. वहाँ से is 4 minutes or 5 minutes walk from the hotel. Then I'm gonna explore the entire museum. Because इसके बाद मुझे लगता नहीं कि ट्रिप में मुझे मौका मिलेगा वापस म्यूज़ियम घूमने का। So कायरो में मैं आज और कल ही हूँ और कल का पूरा दिन आई हैव प्लान फॉर पिरामिड्स। बेसिकली आज ही है मेरे पास टाइम टू एक्सप्लोर द सिटी एज मच एज पॉसिबल ऑन माई ओन। The room is beautiful, but let me just show you one of the best part, and it was this. We have read about it, we have seen it in movies, we have just seen so many videos about it, and finally seeing it in front of me, it's just a complete different feeling, you know. Because hotel say museum was showing around 4 to 8 minutes, but finally when I checked, it was via cab 4 to 8 minutes. But if I'm going to walk, it's going to be around like 15, 20, even 25 minutes is showing right now. So what I'm going to do is I've booked a cab. I'll take an Uber from here to the hotel, to the museum, and I'm going to go like that because अभी इतना टाइम नहीं है वेस्ट करने के लिए। I always wanted to visit Egypt and पहले जब मैं इजिप्ट आया था I came by ship and ship से आने पे मैं अलेक्जेंड्रिया ही पहुंच पाया था and this was around COVID when the COVID wave was going on. तो मैं इजिप्ट में कभी घूम नहीं पाया and right now अगर मैं जब कायरो में हूँ I'm just looking around people the market so it feels very nice. वेदर काफ़ी ठीक है, it's not too warm, it's not too cold. शायद रात ठंडी हो सकती है तो कुछ कह नहीं सकता अभी। और बाकी कल से पूरा दिन चालू होगा हमारा with the tourism and everything going around with the pyramids and everything. But right now this time, this day today is mine and I'm gonna invest it into seeing a museum. Yeah, no, don't worry, it's not that I have a very sad life, no, not at all. It's very interesting. If you are really interested into history, you can read all about it all your life, you're gonna love it.
Kids cough inside tap strip all night. Walls tremble, neighbors party late. Worn eyes burn past midnight again. Waiting for July. When the sea is blue.
Basically right now I'm searching this guy. Yes, this guy.
Mountains sing so true.
तो बेसिकली हमको तूतनखामुन का तो गोल्डन मास्क दिख नहीं रहा था। सो वी हैव गॉट द मैप नाउ दिस इज एज गुड एज एग्डिस, लेकिन ठीक है। सो वी हैव टू गो डाउन ओवर हियर देन टेक अ लेफ्ट। फाइनली आई फाउंड इट। मैं भी ऐसे बोल रहा हूँ कि डिस्कवर मैंने किया है, बट फाइनली आई हैव फाउंड कि तुतनखामुन का मास्क म्यूजियम में कहाँ रखा हुआ है.
The alarm rings in dead of night. Low clouds outside weigh the roofs down.
Finally, I reached the 139 pavilion. I've got the tables outside. Yes, finally, I'll show you the view. It's beautiful.
Brake lights crawl across town. Waiting for July.
I wanted to try koshari. I have been eyeing on it from a pretty long time. So I'll go with koshari. And the second thing I have thought about, I've been planning, is either shish kebab or molaki with roasted chicken. Heard a lot about that as well. So bland up.
Fills up fast each day.
The barista on top of it feels very nice.
Crowds drift
The taste overall
like death.
a little bland. That's why they give plenty of sauces
Tasks
to put on with it. View really good. Food and services, don't even think talk about it. Like just don't talk about it. So I would suggest you have better options to go around for food. It's not like I'm having Middle Eastern food for the very first time. I've had it before as well, and it's from very good places. But trust me, this wasn't worth it. पिरामिड्स के जस्ट सामने रुका था, लेकिन स्टिल द वे टू गो फ्रॉम होटल टू द pyramid, it's kind of still a long way. Sometimes talking too stupidly because I think it's been a long time since I've stopped vlogging. The last time I did vlogging was when I was going to get my Aprilia RS 457 ki delivery. Today is 22nd January and we are here to visit pyramids. Yes. So we are here at the pyramid of Saqqara. Basically, pyramid Saqqara was the first pyramid which was built. और इसके बाद ही सारे के सारे pyramids बने थे इसके बाद.
He put Zabur underground, he will
Zabur is
animal.
okay. Animal.
Say what he proved he is stronger, and after that he woke up to southern eastward, not northern east. So great people of the south.
This was built under the king Saqqara actually. Saqqara उनका नाम पड़ा था from the god Saqqar. This was the first pyramid ever built. Now imagine each and every stone here weighs almost 4 to 5 tons. This is considered one of the most important pyramids because इसके बाद ही pyramid of Giza or everything happened. So it's very important. So I'm here with my tour guide. मैंने पढ़ा था इसके बारे में बहुत पहले, but she's also explaining it really well. This was built by King Imhotep and there are pillars inside. Mostly pillars ruin हो गए. Pyramid काफ़ी हद तक बहुत इंटैक्ट. ये बचपन से टेक्स्ट बुक्स में देखा हुआ था, फाइनली अपने आंखों के सामने देख रहा हूँ. इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट फीलिंग. सो पीपल हु आर वंडरिंग दे शुड कम इजिप्ट और नॉट, दे रियली शुड. अभी हम लोग पिरामिड के अंदर जाएंगे. ओह माय गॉड, ओह माय गॉड, यू गॉट टू सी दिस. वी आर इनसाइड द पिरामिड. ये सिर्फ मूवीज में देखा था मैंने आज से पहले तक। So do a little research when you're coming over here. It's nice. So from here, I'm gonna head towards the Great Pyramid of Giza. वहाँ बोल रहे शायद cameras allowed नहीं अंदर. Only smartphones are allowed. Kind of bummer, but okay. Let's see.
محمد رجب برن عليه المغرب.
pyramid जो मेरे पीछे है, this was built by King Khufu, and the pyramid right here behind my back, this was built by his son. This was the thing कि तीन है, King Khufu was the father, ये उनका बेटा था जिनका जो pyramid है we are going right now, and then the third pyramid, the biggest pyramid was built by King Khufu right here. तो उनके बेटे को चाहिए था कि उनका जो उनका pyramid बनेगा वो उससे ऊंचा हो. So what he tried to do, उसने अपना pyramid एक ऊंचे प्लेटफॉर्म पे बनाया जिसकी वजह से मेरे को चढ़ के जाना पड़ रहा है. सोचा कि उसका पिरामिड ज़्यादा ऊंचा लगेगा. इतना सब करने के बाद भी उसका पिरामिड ऊंचा हो नहीं पाया. स्टिल किंग खुफू का पिरामिड आज भी सबसे ऊंचा है. इवन दो आफ्टर सच अ लॉन्ग ईयर्स एंड लॉन्ग टाइम बिकॉज इट वाज बिल्ड लाइक 4,600 years or 4,500 years ago, there has been erosion and 9 mm to 10 mm erosion हुआ है. So that might make it seem कि उनके बेटे का जो पिरामिड है, दिस वन माइट seem मोर बिगर, बट इन रियलिटी किंग खुफू रॉक्स और उनका पिरामिड सबसे बड़ा पिरामिड हुआ है. Now we are going to see Sphinx. इजिप्ट में कहीं भी हो, बहुत बड़ा टिपिंग कल्चर है यहाँ पे. पीपल जस्ट कम टू यू एंड से हे इंडिया, मोदी, शाहरुख खान, अक्षय कुमार, अमिताभ बच्चन. they come with all sorts of things. हर कंट्री का जहाँ पर नाम निकाल के वही बोलते रहता है. And it was entirely made of limestone, so it was beautiful.
Mr. Akshay Kumar, welcome back.
Yeah, that's what they do. They call you Akshay Kumar, all sorts of things. So this is the most awaited restaurant which I wanted to try, and I'm finally here. And the taste they have said it's really nice. Let's just enjoy the cuisine.
اي حاجه شبه التشيكن. حمام محشي فريك وسمان. وعندي في الابيتايزر سيت ميني تو كشك.
I'm collecting South Korea. I was quarantined for 10 days over there. And now I've ordered like stuffed king pigeon for me and quail eggs. Okay. दिस ये बैंगन का भरता और कुछ नहीं है इसमें. Kushal is good. Way better than what I tasted yesterday. God, that was a disaster. This is good. Food is good. So, Egypt are here and you have your planned over here. Obviously, if you're coming to Egypt, you'll definitely come to the pyramids. Make sure that you're coming over here to Khufu's restaurant for your meal as a lunch.